I trust that you've had opportunity to refresh, spend time with family and friends, and gear up for what is one of our most exciting terms of the year. This is the term of Year 12. But more importantly, they have become young men of Christian character and integrity. That is the distinctive of our school. We can gain a grade ATAR at just about any school. We can find access to university and to work opportunities at just about any school in Australia. But the thing you can't gain at any other school is the character and the integrity that marks the Kingsman. I know it is a term of challenge. It'll be a term of sporting challenges, challenges in the arts, challenges in the classroom, challenges in the examination room, but there is no greater challenge than your personality, your own person, that you bring and speak into the lives of others. And may this be a wonderful, wonderful term of celebration and of acknowledgement of your life and your contribution to this wonderful school.